Hey guys, this is our new House of Marley get-together mini Bluetooth speaker. Purchased this through Best Buy. They range from $179 Canadian to $200 plus 15% tax. Let's take a look at the box. There's the specs on the back. Let's take a look inside. So once we get everything out of the box, you have your charger. Now the nice thing about this compared to the older model is it has all these universal chargers for different countries. So here in Canada, we're going to use this one. It actually just snaps right on here for your charging. It comes with a micro USB charging cable. That's really nice that it includes these. It's one extra thing that you don't have to buy if you're doing a lot of traveling. So let's take a look at the actual speaker. Now this is made out of bamboo. Now this material, it almost looks like a jean material. This is actually made out of organic cotton, hemp, and recycled bottles. And you have your Bluetooth button, your power button, and your up and down for your volume. And on the front you have two 2.5-inch subwoofers and 1-inch tweeters. And from experience, this thing has amazing sound and it's very loud. Now this is taking a look at the back of the speaker. Again, you have your bamboo on the back and your charge out. Again, it's 1 amp, and your charge 2 amp, and your aux in if you want to use an auxiliary cord. You plug right in there. And this is taking a look at the bottom of the speaker. It's got a 2200 milliamp battery. And this is supposed to last for approximately 10 hours, and it has a Bluetooth distance range of roughly 15 meters, which again, from experience, it is roughly 15 meters. And to charge your Bluetooth speaker, again, you connect what connection you need for depending on what country you're in. Again, this is Canada, so we need this for 110. And what you're going to want to do is plug in your micro USB cord into here, and the other end, that end right there, the micro, is actually going to plug right into the speaker there. And it usually takes a few hours to charge the speaker. And again, it lasts roughly 10 hours or so. And again, this is everything that comes with the kit. Again, your speaker, your user manual, your micro USB cable, and your international plugs and charger. And again, you can purchase this through many different areas, but this was bought through Best Buy. Again, they range from $179.99 up to $200. And they do go on sale at times, just roughly over $100. And again, we've had one of these for over a year and have had zero issues. And again, the sound quality on these is amazing. It's well worth every penny, even at the full price on these. Again, guys, just a short unboxing video of the new House of Marley Bluetooth speaker. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.